Have you ever pondered on the voyage of your beloved product from its inception to landing in your hands? It's a fascinating journey involving a vast network of suppliers and distributors. Let's consider the journey of a coffee bean, starting from a farm in South America where farmers lovingly tend it until ripe for picking. Once harvested, the beans are bought by a supplier. Then a distributor based in Europe takes over, roasting the beans to perfection and packaging them to retain freshness. Thereafter, it's to North America where the beans are given to local distributors who supply these to coffee shops. Now picture yourself sipping your morning coffee, relishing its rich flavor, oblivious to the journey this humble bean underwent to reach you. That's the charm of a supply chain. Every product you enjoy is a result of steps executed by global stakeholders. But what if, hypothetically, sanctions are imposed on the coffee-producing country? This could disrupt the supply chain, causing delays, escalating costs, and potentially leave you without your morning coffee. The question then arises: what happens when a link in this intricate chain breaks? Imagine a modest nut and bolt factory nestled in the heart of industrial America. Suddenly, a critical machine breaks down, pausing the production of an important bolt. This seemingly small disruption sparks a catastrophic domino effect in the complex network of supply chains. The halted bolt production stalls assembly plants dependent on these components. In the realm of car manufacturing, where time is priceless, this delay stalls production lines, slowing down the output of finished cars. Ripple effect reaches car dealerships, suffering from a decreased stream of new vehicles. Less inventory means fewer sales and possible layoffs. The usually lively showroom is quiet, cars gather dust. The impact reverberates further into the transportation industry, now facing a shortage. This could inflate vehicle rental costs, taxi fares, and even public transportation prices, stretching consumers' budgets. This disruption doesn't stop at consumers. The entire economy can grasp the severity of this crisis. A dip in the auto industry can hinder overall economic growth, leading to job losses and reduced consumer spending. So, a seemingly minor machine breakdown in a humble nut and bolt factory can ignite a chain reaction that sends shockwaves through industries and even the whole economy. This is the butterfly effect in supply chains, where a small issue can trigger a whirlwind of complications. Transitioning from pastoral scenes to the mechanics of business strategy, imagine yourself as a business proprietor employing the just-in-time production. This strategy to minimize costs and waste while enhancing productivity. However, it's not without pitfalls. Disruptions to the supply chain could expose your business to unforeseen risks. Consider the scenario of a weak corn harvest. If corn supply dwindles, prices go up, affecting businesses using corn, a raw material or feed. This increase in cost could make corn-based products pricier, upsetting consumers and businesses. An underwhelming corn harvest can lead to other consequences as well. Farmers-reliant corn could face financial hardship, potentially causing societal discord and political instability. The COVID-19 pandemic showed us how fragile supply chains can be, with delays due to transport shutdowns and truck shortages. Businesses using just-in-time production were significantly impacted. A single hiccup in the supply chain can lead to a domino effect, affecting all levels of the economy. Despite their intricate nature and vulnerability, supply chains carry inherent resilience, and it is this resilience that we'll explore next. Let's delve deeper into a recent, globally impactful example of the domino effect in supply chains: the corona pandemic. This global emergency brought about significant disruptions, revealing our system's vulnerabilities. Shuttered factories and warehouses coupled with stranded vessels led to worldwide stock shortages. The crisis turned just-in-time production, typically praised for its efficiency, into a liability. This method depends on precise timing, with no room for disruptions. But the pandemic resulted in increased costs, delays, and reduced product availability. Despite these issues, the pandemic showed the need for adaptable supply chains. It stressed the importance of source diversification, contingency plans, and building supply chain flexibility to handle future shocks. The pandemic serves as a learning opportunity. It highlights the need for robust, ready-for-anything supply chains. The lessons learned from this crisis will guide us on building agile, adaptable supply chains for rapidly changing global scenarios. As we'll discuss next, every crisis, including this pandemic, serves as a potent learning. How do businesses manage to keep their supply chains running smoothly, even when faced with potential risks? The key lies in their adaptability and resilience. Long supply chains diversify, engaging multiple suppliers to spread the risk, ensuring continuity in the face of hurdles. This strategy provides alternatives if a link in the chain faces issues, thereby reducing potential disruptions. Short supply chains, conversely, maintain a buffer inventory to manage unexpected demand spikes or supply delays, ensuring they can always fulfill their customers' needs. Furthermore, businesses employ technology as a pivotal tool to mitigate supply chain risks. It's used for monitoring operations in real time, identifying risks with predictive analytics, and facilitating decision-making and response mechanisms. In the end, the resilience of supply chains is a testament to human creativity and adaptability. Businesses leverage innovative strategies and advanced technology to ensure the smooth operation of their supply chains, regardless of the risks they face. So, what profound insights have we gained about supply chains today? We've dived into the complex web of supply chains, the lifelines connecting businesses, products, and services. We've illuminated the role individual links play. We've examined the butterfly effect within supply chains, showing how minor issues can escalate. We've stressed the importance of decisions made within the chain and their potential wider impact. We've investigated the adaptability and resilience of supply chains. In essence, the mastery of supply chains lies in understanding these chain reactions and in the ability to anticipate and adapt to the unforeseen.